Ever dreamt of building your own version of that super fun quiz game? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into Scratch to create your very own Blooket-inspired adventure. First, let's lay the groundwork. We'll start by setting up our main game stage. Just like the colorful boards you see in Blooket, think about how you want your players to move and interact. We'll design our player characters next, giving them their own unique looks and personalities. This is where your creativity shines. You can draw anything you imagine, from cute animals to futuristic robots once your characters are ready. We'll bring them to life with simple animations so they can hop, jump, and react to the game. Now for the heart of the game, the quiz. We'll set up your questions and multiplies answers. The magic happens when we tell Scratch what to do when a player gets an answer right or wrong. A circumflex euros. Maybe they earn points, or perhaps something more exciting happens on the game board. We'll then add features like point tracking, so players can see their progress, and perhaps even some special power-ups to make the game even more engaging. Remember, the more you experiment with different blocks, the more unique your Blooket Remake will become. And there you have it, your very own Blooket-inspired game, built from scratch. Keep practicing, keep innovating, and you'll be a game design master in no time. Happy coding!